Hey guys, Cursor recently launched 2.0 version with major and cool feature sets. One of them is very useful, which I am using, is code review. Let me switch back to Cursor. So here you see there is a review button. Once you ask agent to do the changes, here I have done ask agent try to do these changes. After you will see there are two buttons here. You can ask, once you click on this review button, it will open this here, another window, right? So here you will again see find issues button. You just need to click here find issues button. It will start reviewing your code base and it will try to see if there are any issues. It will come up with those issues and give you the exact prompt that we can take to the chat here and ask Cursor to fix those changes, fix those basically issues. Isn't it very cool? Earlier you have to ask Cursor manually, like, hey, you need to find if there are any issues in the code change that I have done or maybe you have done. See, so now you just need to click a button and it will start reviewing things for you. So let's wait for a minute. If let me show you if Cursor is able to find an issue, then we can try Cursor to fix this as well. Here you see, let me just Cursor see it is able to find two issues. So let's click on this view button here and see if what are those issues. So here you go. One of them is this inconsistent condition logic stops cron job when not enabled, causing potential mismatch with the documentation. So there are, I think, things that there are some things which are mismatching between documentation and the code base. So let's see. If we click on this fix chat button, what will happen? Let's see. So here I have clicked on this fix chat button, and what Cursor did is Cursor just automatically capture that prompt and take into the chat. Says like you need to fix this if this issue exists. See here. So it's that if I click on this button, it will start fixing this issue automatically. I don't have to ask Cursor to find out issues. You just need to find out this by click on this. So you see there are two issues. One of them this, the second one is this. Again here, inconsistent refresh stop condition, right? So again there are some inconsistency in the code, but there are some bugs that needs to be fixed. So once you click here, let me just click here. I can either fix one by one or I can ask fix all. Here you see there is a button which you see fix all. You can ask Cursor to fix all. It will fix all things at once. I prefer one by one things because as a developer I do fix things one by one. So here you see Cursor is able to fix this issue. So there were some issues it was able to fix. Let me just after fixing this, I can again click on this find all issues and see what happens. It is able to fix this thing or it is able to find any other bug or not. So yeah, if you see Cursor is able to fix issues now. So I don't see any issue, so it says like it's good to go. Now we can what we can do is we can just keep things and commit our changes. In the last, let me show you another way how you can trigger this review section. Here you see at the top left side there are two tabs. One is agent and editor. Agent is new version. There is an editor tab. So yes, just need to click here editor tab. You will see it's older view. Here you have other sidebar where you can see files and then there is a code git related thing tab. You could just click on this git tab. Let me just click on this git tab. Here we have review button. So if you have done any changes by yourself, you can come here and click on this section. You will see agent review. You can just click here review. So it will start reviewing the code. So yes, so yeah, this is what I want to highlight here. So how the code review changes has been evolved since in my last video I shared how you can ask Cursor to review the things. So in this video Cursor has introduced a whole new feature which is review code and find issues in the changes. So yeah, if you find out this very useful, you can subscribe my channel. I will keep sharing this sort of tips and tricks, and maybe if I will find any new feature, I will post that again. Thank you.